Hello everyone, welcome to Tachyonic Zest. We are studying Mathematics Class 1, Chapter 11. In this chapter, we will study numbers from 51 to 100. Before studying this chapter, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification icon. Let us start the chapter. Here we can see this is a sugar cane. Now, these are a few bundles. So these are a few bundles of sugar canes and these are a few loose sugar canes. Let us count the total number of bundles first. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 bundles of sugar canes. Now each bundle contains 10 sugar canes. So this bundle is equal to 110. Similarly, this bundle is equal to 110. Similarly, this bundle is equal to 110. And similarly this one is equal to 110. And let us count the number of loose sugar canes. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 loose sugar canes. So here we will write 5, but 5 loose sugar canes we will write as 5 ones, where 1 is equal to 1. So 110 is equal to how many ones? 110 is equal to 10 ones. Okay, please remember students, 110 is equal to 10 ones. In 110 we have 10 objects, so it is equal to 10 ones. Okay, so in 110 we have 10 sugar canes and these are the loose sugar canes. So in total we have 4 tens and 5 ones. So we write it like this, 4 tens and 5 ones. So in total it is equal to 45. So 4 tens, this is equal to 40 plus 5 ones is equal to 5. So finally we get 45. Next we have to write the number. So this is 3 bundles. So each bundle contains a 10. So this is 3 tens. So this is 3 tens here. And the loose sugar canes are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 ones, that is 34. So next we will write, here is a question. We have to draw bundles and the loose sugar canes. So here it is 43. We know 43 is 4 tens and 3 ones. So 4 tens means 4 bundles, 3 ones means 3 loose sugar canes. So we will first draw here 4 bundles of sugar cane. So this is 1. So how many more do we need to draw, students? We need to draw 3 more. That will be 4. So this is 2 and this is 3. And this is 4. So these are 4 bundles of sugar canes, which is equal to 40, and then there are 3 ones. So this is equal to 3 loose sugar canes. So 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. So now we will draw 3 loose sugar canes. So this is 1, and then similarly this will be 2, and then this is 3. So this is 43. Next is, here there are some bundles and loose sugar canes. Let us count the bundles first. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. So here there are 4 bundles. So we will write here 4 tens. And the number of loose sugar canes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here there are 6 loose sugar canes. That means 6 ones. So the total number you get here is 46. Is this one. So here there are 2 tens and 0 ones. So we can see there are 2 bundles. 2 bundles means 2 tens. Okay, where 1 10 is equal to 10 sugar canes. So in this bundle there are 10 sugar canes. In this bundle there are 10 sugar canes. So 2 tens is equal to 10 plus 10, which is equal to 20. And here there are 0 ones. We don't see any loose sugar cane here. So we will write here 0. So 2 tens and 0 ones is equal to how much, students? It is equal to 20. Similarly, in this question, it is 22. 22 is how much? 2 tens and 2 ones. We can directly see here, it is 2 tens and 2 ones. So now, 22 means 2 tens and 2 ones, means we have to draw 2 bundles of sugar canes and 2 loose sugar canes. So first we will draw 2 bundles of sugar canes here. So this is 1 and this is 2. And then we need to draw 2 loose sugar canes. So this is 1, this is 2. So here it is 1 and this is 2. So this is 1 1, 2 1s, 2 tens and 2 1s, which is equal to 22. Okay, let us see the next one. Write the number in the given space. So here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bundles here. So 5 bundle means 5 tens and 1 loose sugar cane means 1 1. So it is 5 tens, 1 1. So finally it is how much? 51. Next, if we count this one, the number of bundles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which means 7 tens, and the number of loose sugar canes are 1, 2, 3, which means 3 ones. So finally the total number here it is 73. 7 tens and 3 ones is equal to 73. Okay. Next is this one. So first we will count the number of bundles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is equal to 6 bundles, which is equal to 6 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, which is equal to 4 ones. So 4 loose sugar canes are equal to 4 ones. So what is the final number, students? Final number is 64. But how? See students, 6 bundles is equal to 6 tens. 6 tens is equal to how much? 60. 6 tens means 60 sugar canes. And extra 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 loose sugar canes. So finally we will get how much? 64. So the total answer here is 64. Next let us see this one. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 bundles means 6 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 loose sugar canes. So here we will write 6 ones. So total it is 66. Let us see the next one. In this there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 bundles are there. 8 bundles of sugar canes are there. So 8 bundle means how much? 1 bundle means 1 ten. 2 bundle means 2 tens. 8 bundle means 8 tens. And the number of ones here is 0. There is no, the number of single sugar canes here is 0. There is no loose sugar cane here. So we will write 0 ones. So the total number here is 80. Now how total it is 80, students? See, 1 10 is equal to 10. So 8 tens is equal to, similarly 80 plus the ones. How many ones are here? 0. What is 80 plus 0? To 80, 0 means nothing. To 80 we add nothing. How much we get? Whatever we had earlier means 80. So the total answer here is 80. Let us see the next one. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bundles are there means 9 tens. And if we count the number of loose sugar canes, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the number of loose sugar canes here is again 9. So 9 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. So the total answer here is, or the total number here is 99. 99 is equal to 9 tens and 9 ones. Let us move on to the next one. First we count the number of bundles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bundle means 9 tens. And the number of loose sugar canes are 1. 1 loose sugar cane means 1 1. So the total number here is 91. Next let us count the total number of bundles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total number of bundles here are 7 means 7 tens. And the number of loose sugar canes are 1, 2, 3, 4, which means 4 ones. So the total number here we get is 74. Okay, 74 is equal to 7 tens and 4 ones. Next we will learn number counting from 51 to 70. So fill in the blanks. So students, you can see here there are a bundle of matchsticks. Each bundle contains 10 matchsticks. So how many bundles of matchsticks are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is equal to how many tens? 5 tens. 5 tens is equal to how much? 5 tens is equal to 50. We all know 5 tens is equal to 50. And there is one loose matchstick here which is equal to 1 1. Okay. So total we get 51. Okay. In 110 there are how many ones? Can you tell me? In 110 how many ones are there? In 110 there are 10 ones. Okay. So 1 1 means one single object. And in 110 there are 10 objects. So we say 110 is equal to 10 ones. Okay. So here it is 5 tens means 50 plus 1. So what comes after 50? It comes 51. So the total answer or the total number here is 51. Next we get after 51 it is 52. 52 is 5 tens and 2 ones. So here already 5 tens are there, 2 ones we need to draw. Let us quickly do that. So we need to draw 2 loose matchsticks here, which will be equal to 2 ones. So this is 1 1, correct, and then this is 2 ones. So this is total 52. Next is 53. 53 is 5 tens and 3 ones. 3 ones is already drawn. We need to draw 5 tens. So 5 bundles of matchsticks we need to draw here. So this is 1. So this is 1. Next is 2. Next is 3. Next is 4. And one more we need to draw. That will be equal to 5. 5 tens and 3 ones, which is 53. Next is 54. Here we can see there are 5 bundles. 54 is 5 tens and 4 ones. So 5 bundles and 4 loose matchsticks. So let us quickly draw 4 loose matchsticks here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. So 5 tens and 4 ones is equal to 54. Next let us see this one. Here there are 5 bundles of matchsticks, which is equal to 5 tens, and here there are 5 loose matchsticks, which is equal to 5 ones. 5 tens and 5 ones is equal to how much? So 5 tens and 5 ones is equal to how much? First of all, 5 tens is equal to 50 plus 5 ones is equal to 50 plus 5. Totally how much we will get? 55. So the next number is 55. After 54 comes 55. Next let us see. So after 55 comes 56. Okay. So 56 is 5 tens and 6 ones. 6 ones are already drawn. We need to draw 5 tens here. So students, I request you all to draw along with me. If you do not have this book, it is fine. You can draw in your notebooks. So this is 5 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so this is 5 tens and 6 ones, which is equal to 56. Next this is 5 tens and 7 ones. So 5 tens and 7 ones is 57. Similarly, next it will be 58. So here we need to write 57. Next is 58. 58 is 5 tens and 8 ones. So here 5 bundles are already drawn, which is equal to 5 tens. 8 ones, for 8 ones we need to draw 8 loose matchsticks. So 8 loose matchsticks we have to draw here. Let us do that. So here we have drawn 8 loose matchsticks, which is equal to 8 ones. Total we have 58. Next is 59, which is equal to 5 tens and 9 ones. So similarly here we will draw 9 loose matchsticks. So here we have drawn 9 loose matchsticks. Let us count once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in total we get 59. Next is 60. 60 is 6 tens. So here there are 5 tens. Here it is 1 ten. 5 10 plus 1 10 is 6 tens. 6 tens is equal to 60. Okay. Let us see the next number. Next number after 60 comes 61. So 61 is 6 tens and 1 1. So here you will see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 bundles and 1 loose matchstick. So it is equal to 61. Next it is 62. So 6 bundles of matchsticks and 2 loose matchsticks. So 6 tens and 2 ones is equal to 62. So here you will write 62. Next is 63, which is 6 bundles, which is equal to 6 tens and 3 ones, which is equal to 63. Next will come 64. 64 is 6 tens and 4 ones. So here we have to draw 6 bundles of matchsticks. 4 loose matchsticks are already drawn. So quickly we will draw 6 bundles. So this is 1, 2. Similarly we will draw the remaining. So we have drawn here 6 bundles, which is equal to 6 tens and 4 ones. Next comes 65, which is 6 tens and 5 ones. So 6 tens are already there. Here we have to draw 5 ones. So we will quickly do that. So we have drawn 5 ones here. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is equal to 5 ones. Finally 6 tens and 5 ones is equal to 65. Similarly, next number is 66. 6 tens and 6 ones. We will write here 66. Next comes 67. 67 is 6 tens and 7 ones. 6 tens are already drawn. We need to draw 7 ones here. So we have drawn 7 loose ones here. Let us count ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 tens and 7 ones is equal to 67. Next is 68, which is equal to 6 tens and 8 ones. 6 tens are already drawn. We need to draw 8 ones here. So we have drawn 8 loose matchsticks here. Let us count once again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 tens and 8 ones is 68. Next it is 6 tens and 9 ones. 6 tens and 9 ones is 69. 6 tens is equal to 60. 9 ones is equal to 9. 60 plus 9, we get 69. Next is 70. Students, we know 70 is equal to 7 tens. Here there are 6 tens. Here it is 1 ten. So now 6 tens plus 1 ten, it will be 70. Actually, students, what is happening is, here already there were 6 tens. We can see after 69 we came to 70. What we did is, here 9 ones were there. We added one more 1 here. So it became 10 ones. And we know that using 10 ones, we can make 110, because 110 is equal to 10 ones. That is what they did. After they got 10 ones here, they tied it using a rope and they made it a bundle. So finally it became 110 and we were left with no ones here because we used all the ones in making 110. Finally, total number of tens we got 6 plus 1, which is 7. 7 tens is equal to 70. Next is numbers from 71 to 90. Similarly, we will do these also. First number is 71, which is 7 tens and 1 1. Okay, next is 72, which is 7 tens and 2 ones. Next is 73, which is 7 tens and 3 ones. So here we will draw 3 loose matchsticks. So here we have drawn 3 loose matchsticks, which is equal to 3 ones. So it is 7 tens and 3 ones, which is equal to 73. Next comes 74, which is 7 tens and 4 ones. So 7 tens and 4 ones are already drawn here. Next is 75, which is 7 tens and 5 ones. So we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bundles are there, means 7 tens and 5 loose matchsticks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 loose matchsticks are 5 ones. So it is 70. So here we write 75. Next is 76, which is equal to 7 tens and 6 ones. So here 7 tens are already there. Here we need to draw 6 loose matchsticks. So here we have drawn 6 ones. 7 tens and 6 ones is 76. Next it is 77. 7 tens and 7 ones is equal to 77. So here there are 7 tens. Here there are 7 ones. So this is equal to 77. Next it is 78. So which is equal to 7 tens and 8 ones. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 loose matchsticks. So 7 tens and 8 ones is equal to 78. Next it is 79, which is equal to 7 tens and 9 ones. Here we will draw 9 loose matchsticks. So here we have drawn 9 loose matchsticks. So 7 tens and 9 ones is equal to 79. Next it is 80. So after 79 comes 80. So 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. After 80 comes 81. So here it is 80. 80 is 8 tens. So 7 tens plus 1 10, which is equal to 80. Now after 79, here there are 9 ones. So after 79 comes 80. Means here there will be 10 ones in total. Using those 10 ones, we can form a group of 10. That is how here they just tied it together and made it one bundle, and they kept it along with the bundle. So total it will be 8 tens, which is equal to 80. Next comes 81. So 81 is equal to 8 tens and 1 1. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bundles which is equal to 8 tens, and 1 loose matchstick is equal to 1, so total it is 81. Similarly, next one it is 82. 82 is 8 tens, so here we have 8 bundles and 2 ones. So here we need to draw 2 loose matchsticks. So here we can see we have drawn 2 loose matchsticks which is equal to 2 ones. Next it is 83, which is 8 tens and 3 ones. So here if you count, there are 8 bundles which is equal to 8 tens, 3 loose matchsticks which is equal to 3 ones. So finally total number is 83. Next comes 84, which is equal to 8 tens and 4 ones. So these are 8 tens, these are 4 ones, total it is 84. Next is 85, which is equal to 8 tens and 5 ones. So here how many loose matchsticks we will draw? We will draw 5 loose matchsticks. So let us do that. So after drawing we can see here is 8 tens and here is 5 ones, which is 85. Similarly, next is 86, 8 tens and 6 ones. So 8 bundles and 6 loose matchsticks. Next is 87, which is 8 tens and 7 ones. 8 tens means 8 bundles, 7 ones means 7 loose matchsticks. Finally 87. So here the total number is 87. But how are we getting 87 using these 8 bundles and 7 loose matchsticks? Can you tell me, students, how are we getting 87 here? See, 110 means it is equal to 10. 8 tens means it is equal to 80. Now plus how many loose matchsticks are there or extra matchsticks are there? 7. So 80 plus 7. If you add 80 plus 7, you will get 87. Okay, so the total number here is 87. This is how we get 87. Similarly, next it is 88. 88 is 8 tens and 8 ones. Here we will draw 8 loose matchsticks. So here we have drawn 8 loose matchsticks. Let us count once again. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is equal to 8 ones. So 8 tens and 8 ones is equal to 88. Next is 89, which is equal to 8 tens and 9 ones, which is drawn here. And next, finally, after 89, it is 90. So 89 we have 9 ones. So what we will do, after 89 again we will add 1. So here it will become 10 ones. Using those 10 ones, we will tie up using a rope and we will make one bundle, and then we will keep it with these, which will become 90. So 90 is equal to 9 tens. Okay. Next number will be 91 to 100. So let us see first 91. 91 is equal to 9 tens and 1 1. So now it will become, so here we can see we had 8 tens plus 1 10, 9 tens. Now we will keep adding 1 1 again. So now there were 9 tens. We added one more matchstick, which comes the next number. So 9 tens and 1 1, it is equal to 91. Next it is 92, which is 9 tens and 2 ones. So here we need to draw 2 loose matchsticks. So here we have drawn 2 loose matchsticks. Next is 93, which is 9 tens and 3 ones. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 bundles, which is equal to 9 tens. And if we count the number of loose matchsticks, 1, 2, 3. So 3 loose matchsticks, which is equal to 3 ones. So 9 tens and 3 ones is 93. Next is 94, which is 9 tens. Here there are 9 tens and 4 ones. So here we need to draw 4 loose matchsticks. So here we have drawn 4 loose matchsticks. So 9 tens and 4 ones is 94. Similarly, next comes 95, which is 9 tens and 5 ones. Next comes 96, which is 9 tens and 6 ones. So here we will draw 6 loose matchsticks. Let us draw that. So now we have drawn 6 loose matchsticks here. So finally it is 9 tens and 6 ones, which is equal to 96. Next it is 9 tens and 7 ones, which is equal to 97. After 96 comes 97. Next is 98, which is equal to 9 tens and 8 ones. So here it will be 98. Next it is 9 tens and 9 ones. So it is equal to 99. And finally again what will happen here, again 1 will be added to this. So to 99 we will add 1. So there were 9 ones. After adding one more 1, we will get 10 ones. Using those 10 ones, again we will form a bundle and we will keep it with these. So here there were 9 tens. Now one more bundle we got. so which is 110. So 9 tens plus 110 is 10 tens. So 100 is equal to 10 tens. So we write it like this: 100 is equal to 10 tens. And how many ones are there? So if we use these ones, all the ones we used, so here we are left with 0 ones. So 100 is equal to 10 tens and 0 ones. Okay, so we write in the form of number or words like this. So we write 100. Okay, so 100 is equal to 100. Now 100 is equal to again 10 tens and 0 ones. Okay. Now we need to write the missing numbers here. So students, we will start with 51. First comes 51. Then next is 52. We saw it just now. Next will be 53. Then 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. After 60, what comes? 61. Then is 62. Next comes 63. Next is 64. Next comes 65. Next is 66. Next comes 67. Next is 68. Next is 69. Finally 70. After 70, what is the number that we get? It is 71. Then we go to 72, then 73, then comes 74, then comes 75, then comes 76, then comes 77, then is 78, next comes 79, and finally 80. After 80, it comes 81, then comes 82, 83, 84, 85, next is 86, 87, 88, then 89, and then 90. After 90, the number which comes is 91, then 92, next is 93, next is 94, then 95, then 96, next 97, 98, next comes 99, and finally 100. So after 99, we get 100. So what comes after 100? After 100, it comes 101. Okay, after that we get 102. Next, can you tell me what will be the number? 103. Next is 104. Next comes 105. Next we can keep on adding 1 like this. So we will get 106. Next is 107. Next comes 108. Next is 109, and then 110. What comes after 110, students? Can you tell me? After 110, it will come 111. Okay, like this we need to go on. Next comes 112. Next comes 113. Next comes 114. Next is 115. Next is 116. Next is 117. 118. 119, 120. Similarly, after 120, what it will come? It will be 121. And the next again it will be 122. Like this we need to keep on going. So after that it will be 123, then 124, 125, and so on. So this list you can keep on writing, students. So I would want you to write it till 200. You just keep going on like this. And please complete it right till 200. Okay, so please do it as a homework. Next, there is a game here for you. There is a snake and ladder game. What you can do is you can play this game with your friends. You can just start with 1 here. You can see. So what you can do is you can just start with 1. You can use 2 small stones or pebbles here. So what you do is you can start with home first before 1. So what you can do, you can take just 2 small pebbles, you and your friend, you can play. What you can do is, So students, a dice looks like this. You must have seen this while playing Ludo. So this is another game of snakes and ladders where you can play that game using this one. So what you can do is you can take this dice and you can roll it. So whenever you get 6, so first of all you both are standing here. This is your pebble, this is your friend's pebble. Whenever you get a 6, you can just enter, you can just stand in 1. So you can start from 1. If you get a 6, you go to 1, and then you can keep rolling the dice. So whosoever rolls the dice and gets a 6, he gets another chance. Okay. So what you do, you can play this game with your friend. Whenever you get a 6, you come to 1, and then you can, suppose you roll the dice again because you get one more chance and you got a 3. So what you will do, you will shift your pebble from 1. So you will count 3 here. So next you can just 1 plus 3, you can do just 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So you can just play this game like this. So you came here. Suppose your friend also, he got a 6 and he came here. He stood on 1, and after that he got one more chance and he got 1. After rolling again he got 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So now he stood here. So from 2 we can see he directly went up the ladder and he came to 40. So now he stands at 40. His pebble is at 40. So now after climbing a stair, he will get one more chance. So after 40, suppose he rolls and he gets 5. So 40 plus 5 is how much? It is 45. So then you can just take your pebble from here to here, which is 41, and then you can take it from here to here. So 40 plus 5 will be 45. Then again it will be your chance to roll the dice. You can keep rolling the dice and you can keep playing this game with your friends. Okay students, so this was chapter 11. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.